Hello friends on YouTube. Before I start the video, I'm first going to show you some new tool I just received from Keone. It's a handmade scissor, and I'm going to show you how it's delivered to me. So first, of course, I get a box. Lay this aside. Then into the box, when I open it, I see some things. I see something to clean my scissor with. I see a special free sharpening with a serial number on it. And then I get a box, a lovely heart, so it shows the love, for especially of course scissors. And as a hairdresser I really love scissors. So that's why I'm also an ambassador, because I really love steel and I love scissors. Now this is the scissor I get. I show you this also in photos. This is the super cold steel. And it's the 3300 series, and it's a 5.5. Now it's a real sharp tool. It's just created to get slicing with. It's protected by a shield. It's also into the box, and there is an adjustment key with it, so I can adjust the way I want the scissor to be. It's always something like an oil in it, and there's also a protector on it. So I can wear this, whatever, but also protect my scissor in this case, so I don't use it. The box comes like this, and this is a real sharp tool, so I'm going to show you this into the video as how I slice with it. I make also photos of this tool, because I really love the Keone scissors, because they're very nice tools to work with, and they have a real character, so that makes these scissors wonderful. Also, they are ultra soft polished, so you feel like there's satin in your hands. I really love it. Thanks for this scissor. The next tool I'm going to show you is a clipper. It's the best wireless clipper there is, because you can work a long time with it. So it's 260 minutes you can work with it when it's totally charged. It lays nicely in your hands, and it's the best tool there is. Make photos of this product and show you that. But before I do this, show you them also like it come in the box. So they're in the box with all the subscribings of the tools. You get all the clipper combs with it. You get an extra head, and of course you get your wonderful clipper. There's a titanium battery in it, so you can work a long time with it, and it has no memory of charging. So you can charge it all day if you want it, but you can also work a day with it and then charge it again. I thank Keone for sending me this wonderful clipper. You can see it's ultra sharp. Nicely gets through the hairs. And when I use control slicing, lifting the hairs up, get into the hairs, and you can hear there's almost nothing to hear. That's always the best thing, because when you hear the scissor, especially in dry hair, you can hear the pulling, you know it's not the best way. Control slicing, get in. Freehand slicing, so it has in the right position. Get it with your scissor. Slice through the hairs. Now this is all done. But I'm certain that when I work on people, I've kept much nicer slicing effects. So really love the tool. And now the video.